Need to remove unwanted parts of your video or change its framing? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crop a video in CapCut Mobile. What are we waiting for? Let's now begin! First is to open CapCut app in your mobile device and tap New Project and select the video you want to edit from your gallery. Once you have chosen the video, tap Add to import it in the timeline. The next step is to tap on Video Clip in the timeline. When the clip is highlighted, the editing tools will appear at the bottom of the screen. Swipe through the editing tools until you find Crop. Tap it to open the crop settings. A cropping frame will appear around your video, allowing you to adjust which part of the video remain visible. Drag the edges or corners of the crop frame to remove unwanted areas from your video. You can also choose aspect ratios such as 16 by 9 for YouTube, 19 by 16 for TikTok or Instagram Reels, and 1 by 1 for Square Post, depending on where you plan to share the content. Once you're happy with the crop, tap the check mark to apply your changes. Play the video from beginning to the end to make sure that the subject stays within the frame throughout the clip. And that's how you crop a video in CapCut Mobile. Edit with confidence, create with creativity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless.